All right, so this is part 2 of the review sheet. We're going to go over the last 2 boxes on loose leaf. So 7 minus this whole thing plus 2x. This is like, if you want to think of it as distributing a -1, -1 times x is -1x, or negative x. This is where we're going to see a lot of mistakes. It's -1 times -13, which is positive 13. Everything else that you didn't use comes down, so this plus 2x, and this is a plus 7x, but we're not going to write plus. Now we can combine like terms. So remember, you always distribute before we combine like terms. This is -1x and a positive 2x, which gives me 1x. 13 and positive 7 give me positive 20. Okay, so, I wrote this down wrong. So this is actually the second line of this. So it's early, you know. 3/4 plus 9 times this whole thing plus 1.5c. So we should have done 3 times 9c to give you 27c. And then 3 times -20 to give you -60. Then you can combine like terms. So the c's are both positive, so you get 28.5c. And you're going to do 3/4 plus -60, and it would give you -59.25. Okay, and then this is the beast of a question that's giving people a kind of a hard time. So it is 3 minus 2k plus 4 minus 5k equals -57. So that's actually the problem, right? So this is the last one, bottom right hand corner. You're thinking of this as distributing by a -1. So you want to distribute, combine like terms, solve your two-step. -1 times 2x is -2k. And then -1 times 4, or -1 times positive 4, negative times a positive is negative. So you're going to get -4. Or -4, whatever you want to call it. Bring the things down that you did not need or use. Now you can combine like terms. Be very careful that you are including the sign with the term. It goes sign, number, letter, sign, number, letter. So when you combine these two terms, it's going to be something k, and then we have -2 plus -5, which is -7k. Your constants are the terms that don't have letters. 3 plus -4 would give you -1, or -1 equals -57. Still keep carrying that down. And so right here we have -1, so we're going to add 1. -7k equals -56. There's my backwardsness. And then make sure that you don't forget this negative. Divide everything by -7. K equals 8. And we are done. Go ahead and take the Delta Math assessment. Please take your time. Make sure that you distribute. Then combine like terms, solve your two-step, go slow and careful, and I know you're going to do really great.